Right now, tornado near me is trending worldwide on Google. That's because severe weather is sweeping across multiple regions, and people are desperately checking for local warnings and safety zones. This search spike isn't just in Tornado Alley, it's global, with hotspots in the US Midwest, parts of Europe, and even Australia. Key fact 1: the term typically surges when a storm system is fast-moving and unpredictable. Fact 2: Google Trends shows searches quadrupled in the last 24 hours. And fact 3: many of these lookups come from people trying to find the nearest shelter in real time. Stay updated with NewsDrop, what the world is searching for, every hour.